Walking over the bridge now. There's alligators over here. Now we're enjoying this beautiful day in Florida, and we're going on a walk to the bird habitat. And it's right down the street from my Nana's house, so it's not too far. And I hope you guys enjoy the views and the birds and all the animals. And maybe we'll see an alligator over there. Here at the bird habitat, there's a sign if you want to read it. And then I'll show you some views after. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'm walking over the nice bridge, over the water. Maybe we'll see some alligators like I've said before. Who knows, because the other day we didn't see any. So I'll show you the birds and the pretty water and everything else. Hope you guys enjoy. Walking over the bridge. Lily pads. Birds go here. Thousands of birds. This is where we get to sit, relax. Those are my boys, my son. Show you guys the sign over here. The hill area, going back down it. I love Florida. It's such an awesome experience. If you've never been to Florida, you should go. Really fabulous and awesome weather, especially since we live in Vermont. So going from Vermont to Florida is amazing. I do not want to leave at all. That's my favorite right there, this view. Fabulous view right there, it's so pretty. So much palm trees everywhere. Subscribe, favorite, peace.